We are providing $300,000 in grants to the Chinatown and Area Business Association to help fund private security resources in and throughout the Chinatown so that businesses do not need to pay for this out of their own pocket. We're establishing a dedicated Chinatown post-COVID vibrancy fund. Funds will be dispersed by the Chinatown Committee that will oversee priorities and decisions. We recommend that the Chinatown and Area Business Association lead this committee, that a city advisor be appointed to convene this group. It will commence with a $1 million fund. The aim of this fund is to equitably distribute resources to those who have not been able to access downtown recovery funds due to boundary constraints. We are developing an improved streetscape plan for the core in Chinatown to assist with the prevention of encampment setups. We're implementing a needle cleanup program throughout the area and ensuring daily cleanup of the streets and back alleys throughout Chinatown. We're completing a safety audit of Chinatown, present findings and recommendations to the Chinatown and Area Business Association, and prepare an implementation plan to address all the recommendations. We are creating a 5-year plan for the decentralization of social services to limit the concentration in Chinatown. We are advocating to the province for prevention of releasing health patients into houselessness, prevention of releasing offenders from provincial corrections facilities into houselessness, and limiting the pharmacy concentration in Chinatown. We're also advocating to the federal government for the prevention of releasing offenders from federal corrections facilities into houselessness. We know that many of the people who fall into houselessness have been released from the remand center, and we need somewhere for these people to go. We cannot simply let them out on the street. Many of these actions came straight from the community, and I want to thank them and letting us know we hear you and we take action. The last 2 tragedies that we saw, our members taken away from us in a violent way, and that loss has brought community together. It is a tragedy, but I think if there's a silver lining to that is that community, that all of us have awakened to this reality.